Hey folks, Coach Pete here with Mr. Matt Nicosia, co-founder of RidePair.com. Matt, let's talk to the business owners, folks who want to get their message out to folks who are in the pair experience. Let's talk about targeted marketing. How much of an opportunity exists here with the pair opportunity?
Well, the wonderful thing about pair is pair now creates an opportunity for people that are in their car to get paid for riding and choose the incentive that they want to get paid. So for example, if I'm driving down a road and I'm like, you know what? I want to get paid a lot of money for this ride. I'm going to maximize, I'll take all the marketing I can get while I'm driving. So on my app, if I'm driving past a donut shop, they could put an ad would pop up with a QR code or a discount, which I could save. If I'm driving by a billboard, I can do all those things and maximize those. I become my own marketer myself and allow them to market to me directly while I'm riding with RidePair. And that's a huge advantage for marketers, for advertisers to know the person has driven by and the geolocation they've set, and a certain ad has popped up. That's a great way to really fine-tune and maximize from a marketing standpoint my cost per impression as a drive-by. What a great incentive.
Yeah, it sounds to me like mobile geofencing.
Mobile geofencing and mobile geomarketing.
Yeah, really, really good opportunity too, because you have a captive audience. They're in the car. You could even have a QR code posted on the billboard that they could click on right away. Or maybe a lot of cars have screens inside the car, like some of the taxi cabs I've been in, some of the Ubers I've been always have like a screen back there with some ads playing.
Absolutely.
You have that happening too.
We view this as the next evolution of billboard, or we'll call it transportation marketing.
But the taxi cab ads that I see are not targeted to me, right?
No, they're not.
If your demographics are known, the advertiser can target the consumer that they want with their ads.
They can, with our system, which tracks your profile, which tracks all about what's going on, because you actually put in what your preferences are. And if you don't want to get marketed to, you press, I don't want to make any money. You choose if you want money.
Yeah.
And the more you want to get paid for riding, the more advertisements you're going to get and optimization. But what an opportunity to get paid to ride. Now you may want to go to that donut store. You may want to go to that restaurant. All of that is the in-car or in-experience marketing that is the next evolution of mobile marketing and mobile transportation, that you get paid to do so.
Maximize your messaging. Very, very important. The number of people that see your ads doesn't matter if the number of people looking don't care. So this way you get people that care looking at your ads. Folks, get paid to pair.com if you want to find out more information about advertising opportunities.